The Russian Defense Ministry Research and Testing Center of Aviation and Space Medicine and Military Ergonomics is working on new protective equipment for pilots using modern materials and technologies, says Igor Zendago, Director of Medical Science and Senior Researchers of Medical Service, who heads the facility. The center is celebrating its 85th anniversary this year. Its specialists have contributed to the renowned space flight of the Tuck Laika, the first living creature to ever be sent into space. In addition, it participated in Yuri Gagarin's historic flight. Today, our center is working on new pilot protective gear, which will involve modern materials and technologies. He did not provide any further details on the new development. According to the center's director, its personnel is now focused on solving the key issue on protecting and preserving a pilot's combat capability in the upgraded and upcoming military planes. The justification of methods and the development of requirement for the gear that protect the pilot from dynamic multi-directional G-force during combat maneuvering. These forces pose dangers of loss of consciousness, spine injury, increased crash risk and decreased combat effectiveness, the senior researcher said. He disclosed that this research is being conducted at the center's own laboratory bin facility, which possesses unique model of planes and helicopters and research benches that simulate various flight factors including a centrifuge, a hyperbaric chamber and a soundproof isolation chamber. He added that a large portion of your research is being conducted during real flights on planes and helicopters equipped with a specialized sensor. Sendaco also disclosed that the center's specialists have developed and are ready to implement method of psychophysiological training of pilots intended to boost their resistance to such flight factors as high and prolonged excessive G-force. Besides, the center has innovated 4 generations of ejection seats that are considered the best in the world. It is also come up with an impact protection for helicopter. We have developed a unique landing safety system for armed vehicles that designed with the crew on board. Sendago started adding that this system have already been put into service. Another issue the center is working on is improving medical control over the health of pilots and psychological and physiologically reserve during the training. Zendago underscored that the human factor is one of the most difficult problems for military specialists in military aviation. Technical capabilities of planes will keep expanding while human psychophysiological capabilities will remain at effectively the same level. The center's work in the upcoming years will focus on solving this important issue, he added.